Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of network scanning with Kali Linux. We'll explore 5 powerful tools that can help you discover and analyze networks like a pro. First up is Nmap. Think of Nmap as your trusty Swiss Army knife for network exploration. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to identify open ports, running services, the operating systems of devices on your network, and even potential vulnerabilities. Now, firing up Nmap is super easy. Just open your terminal in Kali and type Nmap followed by the target you want to scan. This could be a single IP address, a range of IPs, or even a hostname. Want to be stealthy? Use the SS flag for a SYN scan, which is less likely to trigger alarms. Need to know what operating system a device is running? The O flag has you covered. One thing I love about Nmap is its scripting engine. You can use pre-built scripts or create your own to automate complex scanning tasks. Plus, the sheer amount of information Nmap can gather is just mind-blowing. It's like having X-ray vision for your network. And the best part? Nmap is open source and constantly updated by a dedicated community. So you know you're always getting the latest and greatest features. Seriously, the possibilities are endless. We'll dive into more advanced Nmap commands later, but for now, just play around with the basics. You'll be amazed at what you can uncover, so go ahead, give Nmap a try. You won't be disappointed. So you've mastered the command line power of Nmap. Now let's take it to the next level with Zenmap, Nmap's graphical user interface. Zenmap takes the raw data from Nmap scans and transforms it into easy-to-understand charts, graphs, and network maps. No more squinting at lines of text. You can visually see the connections between devices, identify potential bottlenecks, and quickly pinpoint vulnerabilities. Launching Zenmap is a breeze. Just type Zenmap in your terminal, and the GUI will pop up. From there, you can select your target, customize your scan options, and hit go. One of the coolest features of Zenmap is its profile system. You can save your favorite scan configurations as profiles, so you can quickly run the same scan again later, without having to re-enter all the options. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're performing regular network audits. Zenmap's visual representation of network topology makes it much easier to understand the structure of your network. It's like having a blueprint of your network right in front of you. Next up is Netdiscover, a powerful tool for finding all the devices lurking on your network. Netdiscover works by sending out ARP requests and listening for responses. This allows it to identify the IP and MAC addresses of every device on your network, even those that might be trying to stay hidden. To use Netdiscover, simply type Netdiscover ER, followed by the IP range you want to scan. One of the things I love about Netdiscover is its speed. It can quickly scan large networks and provide you with a comprehensive list of connected devices. This is invaluable for network administrators who need to keep track of their network's inventory. Plus, Netdiscover is incredibly lightweight, so it won't bog down your system resources. It's like having a silent guardian watching over your network. Now let's talk about Angry IP Scanner. It's a fast and efficient way to scan a network for live hosts and open ports. Angry IP Scanner is cross-platform, so you can use it on Windows, macOS, and Linux. To launch Angry IP Scanner in Kali, just type ipscan in your terminal. The GUI will pop up, allowing you to enter your target IP range and start scanning. One of the things I appreciate about Angry IP Scanner is its speed. It can quickly scan thousands of IP addresses, making it ideal for large networks. Plus, it provides you with a wealth of information about each host, including its host name, open ports, and MAC address. And the best part? Angry IP Scanner is completely free and open source, so you can use it without any limitations or licensing fees. It's a must-have for any network administrator or security professional. Finally, let's talk about ARPScan, a powerful tool for discovering devices on your local network using ARP packets. ARPScan works by sending out ARP requests and analyzing the responses. This allows it to identify the MAC address of every device on your network, even those that might be trying to hide. To use ARPScan, simply type ARPScan followed by the network range you want to scan. One of the key advantages of ARPScan is its speed and efficiency. It can quickly scan a large network and provide you with a detailed list of MAC addresses and corresponding IP addresses. This is incredibly helpful for network administrators who need to maintain an accurate inventory of their network devices. Moreover, ARP-Scan is extremely lightweight and won't consume excessive system resources. You can run it in the background without impacting your system's performance. ARP-Scan's ability to identify devices based on their MAC addresses can be invaluable for security professionals. It's like having a fingerprint scanner for your network. Remember, always ensure you have permission before scanning any network. Unauthorized scanning can land you in hot water, so be responsible and ethical in your network explorations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.